Next, to a new chapter in the Colorado law causing controversy across the state.
The law deals with a defendant's mental incompetency and puts our state in compliance with a 1972 Supreme Court ruling. If evaluators determine that a person is unlikely to be restored in the foreseeable future, a judge must dismiss charges. Or if the individual qualifies, they will be civically committed to a treatment facility. The bill's sponsor says it hasn't worked as intended, and she says there's a lack of space in mental health facilities. Lawmakers have been asking the governor to intervene, but as your reporter Gabriela Vidal finds, parents could be the answer to change.
We were robbed of justice for ourselves, for myself, my sister, and for our mother.
That's the feeling Joseph Bowman still holds to this day.
On December 17th of 2021, my family and I were headed to work together. We were hit by Guillermo Ramirez, who was drunk, on drugs. He did not have a license. He did not have insurance. And tragically, our mother suffered the worst of the injuries, and she passed on October 1st of 2022.
Then last April, charges against Ramirez were dropped by a Jefferson County judge, citing mental incompetency.
Nobody's happy, right? That's a recurring theme.
Dante White's family joined a frustrated crowd after Solomon Galligan, the suspect who attempted to abduct children on a school playground, had their case dismissed under the same conclusion of being mentally incompetent to stand trial.
We were coordinating on what we can do next steps, right? And really bringing to his attention how important this issue is.
Both men met for the first time with Governor Jared Polis this week, with the hopes legislation can be changed to ensure repeat offenders like both suspects don't slip through the cracks.
And if they want to claim competency or claim insanity, then they need to be civilly committed until such time and receive the treatment and the resources that they need to address that insanity or to address that incompetency until such a time that that is resolved.
If we don't do this law right, it becoming weaponized against people with mental health issues and things of that nature.
While it may not happen in a special session before the end of the year, both men say they felt assured by the governor he will address concerns about mental incompetency in the new year and add funding towards mental health to improve accountability. In a statement from Governor Polis, quote, "I am demanding that our competency laws get fixed. Our conversation will help inform next steps to help address this issue. In the meantime, individuals who are a danger to themselves and others are not released into the community." Both men say the next step is speaking with more lawmakers here at the Capitol, as well as the bill's sponsor, and they say that Governor Polis has actually asked them to testify before the legislature come January in order to hopefully receive more funding for mental health resources in the future. In Denver, Gabriela Vidal covering Colorado First.
Yeah, it's a story we've been doing a lot of reporting on, and no doubt something we will continue to follow. Gabby, thank you.